Hello everyone, now we evaluate this double integral problem. The area should be in the first quadrant with the circles r is equals to and here r equal to 4. To draw the bounded area like this, introduce the x-axis and the y-axis. I have drawn the circle r is equals to with radius and r equal to 4. First quadrant lo annadu. Then I introduce the elementary radius vector. Okay, now this elementary radius vector enters from this is a here O to enter at r is equals to 2 and terminate its here r is equals to 4. ఈ yellow color ఉన్నటువంటిది మన టార్గెట్. ఈ ఏరియాని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. Now here the radius vector it enter at r is equal to r equal to 4, right? Now r is varying from 0 to 2 to 4 and the theta initially at x axis 0 degrees. 0 degrees and it moves from here now at pi by 2 0 to 90. Okay, now we'll be evaluate this is a given integral function. I substitute the limits here. Integral r is varying from 2 to 4. We can integrate first with respect to r with respect to theta. Okay, because all inner limits are constant. Now I'm going to integrate with respect to theta. Pi by 2 r cube sine 2 theta d theta. Then integrate with respect to r. Integrating with respect to theta here this is integrating with respect to theta then r. Now with respect to theta r cube as a constant I am going to write the before integration. Integral here r is varying from 2 to 4. Here r cube I am writing the before integration. Theta is varying from 0 to pi by 2 sine 2 theta d theta all of d r. Now here integration of sine ax dx r cube as it is minus cos 2 theta by 2. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 2 of here dr. Now integral 2 to 4 here r cube apply the upper limit minus cos of 2 into upper limit pi by 2 all by 2 minus lower limit minus of here cos 2 into 0 divides here 2. Okay, here this one all of here dr. So for better understanding I am writing here itself here integral here 2 to 4 r cube of 2 get cancelled. Cos pi value minus 1, already minus is there, minus of minus 1 here cos pi value minus 1 by 2 minus into minus here plus cos 2 into 0 cos 0 value 1 denominator 2 into dr minus of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 2 by 2. Okay, next again integral 2 to 4 we get here r cube this value is 1 into dr. Integration of r cube r power 4 by 4 lower limit 0 to upper limit 4. Upper limit 4 to the power of 4 by 4 minus so here 2 to the power of 4 by 4. So you enter in calculus you get the complete answer. Okay, if it is really helpful to you please share with your friends also, and any thing is mistake inside or not able to understand please comment below.